Hi everybody, this is Fred. It's February 14th, it's Valentine's Day, and it's Saturday, and I just got home from work. I just wanted to let you guys give you an update. Since the last time I filmed, it kept snowing, and the snow is getting a little deep now. This is right now in Lawrence, and it's just as bad just south of here in Boston. There's about 3 feet of snow on the ground, and there's another storm coming tonight and tomorrow. There's a blizzard warning, and they figure about another foot. So, but just to give you an idea of how deep the snowbanks are getting, they're getting pretty deep. And people have really gotten more resolved into dealing with this, saying, hey, we're going to get through this. And there's been a lot of snow that's been removed to make it so people could function. But for a few days there, it was pretty bad. Right now, it's about 10 out. And it's supposed to turn into a blizzard tomorrow, like I said. And hopefully, it would be nice if it missed us, but it probably won't. And just wanted to give you a view before the next storm hits. And what I'll do is, sorry about my last video. I know it came out kind of weird. I don't know why. I'm thinking maybe I had my screen locked wrong or something, so I hope this comes out a little better. And I will give you an update of what everything looks like tomorrow or Monday, depending on when the storm ends. And just give you a little backdrop here. And there are no more sidewalks. I mean, well, this one to get us down to the main road, but there are no more sidewalks around. Everything is just trying to keep the snow off the road. So we got like this little path to get out to the road, but you can see they sort of had to give up on everything as far as actually providing a walkway. So it's a little dangerous. People have to walk in the street. There's just no alternative anymore. It's been one heck of a winter up here. Well, like I said, hopefully this video will come out okay, and I will give you an updated video tomorrow, Sunday or Monday, and let you know if the snow's gotten even deeper. Until then, you folks take care. Happy Valentine's Day, and talk to you soon. Bye. Oh, as usual, I'll give you one more look. And just to let you know what my St. Valentine's Day plans are, I'm going to be inside my apartment trying to stay warm. What you can't see on the video is it is friggin' cold. Like this morning, it was, without the wind chill, it was like 8 below zero. It was just so friggin' cold. And you can really get frostbite out here too, so best thing for me to do is just to stay inside. Well, anyways, I'll talk to you soon. You take care.